guys, welcome back to Becky's Corner. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Galaxy Tab Pink A8. I got this tablet as a reward because I just finished year 10 and I got a few awards in my school. I got Business Scholar and I got nominated for award for science. So my mom was really proud and she got this for me. So I just want to use this medium and say thank you to my mom. I'm so happy. This is going to be really useful in school. I'm so happy actually. Anyways, I'm going to be unboxing it. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. You guys will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let's get into it. I haven't opened this yet, so this is my first time, so I'm like so excited. So if I'm rushing, do not blame me, because when I get excited, I forget my name. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, the iPad's in here. This is in the box. Hold on, let me see what's in the box. So warranty card is here. And then the charger is here, so. Gosh, so happy. Alright, hold on. I'll open it from here, man. Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? Ah, it's so pretty. Is it charged? It's such an art. Oh my gosh. I need to go and say thank you to my mom again. Okay, I'm scared of but this have literally copied Apple, because this is what Apple looks like as well. Okay, let me start. Okay, hold on. Let me put English. English United Kingdom. Okay, hold on guys. I'm literally so thankful I got this. This will really help me with school as well. I think I do recommend this. Like, look how accessible and just handy it is. Like, this is so handy. I feel like the back might be easy to scratch, and I don't want to scratch it because as you can see how pretty it is, I don't want to scratch it. So I might have to get a case for that. But the pink is really nice, so maybe I'll get like a clear case. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm really thankful for this. And thank you, Mom. I promise to do more. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye-bye for now. Mwah.